So now, China is fighting back. Marami na tayong mga nakikitang bagong narrative. Unang-una kamera na ito yung very critical, no? So, if Trump is going to fulfill his promise, more than 100K tayo. Ang nakikita kong problema ngayon is China. China already is going to fight back. Okay, he's going to fight back. And he is going to declare taxes in the US. Okay? So, based on my checking, aside from taxes, they're going now to ban. So, most recently, let me just try to share my screen. Mapansin mo, di ba? So now, China is fighting back. China is fighting back.